Hey guys, Adus Effects. We're gonna be analyzing gold, guys. So this is how gold looks like from a higher time frame. Let's look at gold from a higher time frame. So this is how gold looks like from a higher time frame. So remember, when we analyze the market, we always try to follow a certain strategy. I mean, a certain structure. Okay, so from this point right now, I'm just going to concentrate from this lowest point right here. I do not want to stick too much to the history of this, but because I'm seeing a good structure formation from this, so I can just start from this point right here. So at this point, you can see that the market gave us an impulsive move right here. So we're gonna mark that, and then the market gave us a beautiful correction phase right here, and then we're gonna mark that. And then currently we can see that the market is still in an impulsive phase. So we're not going to mark this point as saying this is our high, because the market has not yet turned from this point. Only if the market turned from that point, maybe let's say the market was somewhere here, if let's say maybe the market was somewhere here, therefore we could have marked this point, right, that point, to say that was the impulsive phase. But currently the market has not yet closed or has not yet changed the direction from that zone, so we can't mark that as our highest point, because the market can still carry on to form a certain high before it comes all the way to the downside. Ne? So currently we can say that the market, it is in an impulsive, so this was an impulsive phase, and then the market, it's in an impulsive phase again right here. See these things, see rotating. So this thing is currently again in a what, in an impulsive phase, this being the correction phase of the market, this being the correction phase of the market right here, ne? So we're still gonna also expect to see what, to see something like that, maybe somewhere here in a long run for the market before it goes up. Okay, so we're still gonna expect to see something like that. So let's just clear this information out. So since well we just said impulsive, correction, impulsive, therefore which means you're gonna be what, this gonna, we're gonna use that as a reference point from our lowest point. So we're gonna concentrate from this point right there, because we already know that we are in an impulsive phase of the market. So this impulsive phase of the market has got its own structure as well, so we need to respect that as well. So we're going to concentrate that, okay, so this was the um, another highest point right there, and then this was it. Should I say this one or this one? More like the same thing, doesn't have any difference. Let's just say this was the correction, so this was impulsive, and then this was the correction, and currently the market, it's in a what, it's in an impulsive phase. So this one we can just say this was the correction phase of the market. Okay, so this was the correction phase. We can also do it this way, but there is no need for us to specifically say this was impulsive, and then this correction channel, and then the market broke above, going all the way up. Okay, so going all the way up, now we are in an impulsive phase of the market. Remember what I said. I said the moment you realize that you are in an impulsive phase of the market, the only thing that you should be doing is to be looking forward for continuation patterns. That's the only thing that you should be looking for, continuation patterns. Therefore, our last impulsive phase move was from this point right here. So we said this is our last impulsive move. So what are we looking for? We are only looking for continuation patterns, buy, because this is a continuation patterns of a what, of an uptrend structure. So we are looking for what, buying. That's all we are looking for. So from this point right here, the market gave us this impulsive correction. So the correction came to this point right here. Correction came to this point right there. Actually, let's go to 4 hour time frame. Maybe this is going to be, but we can also just finish this on a daily time frame. And then we had this correction, impulsive correction to this lowest point right there, to this point right there. Therefore, which means currently the market, this was impulsive correction, impulsive correction. Currently the market, it's in a what? It's in an impulsive phase. Okay, let's go see what we have on the impulsive phase of this market. So currently the market is in this impulsive phase. So this has no use for us for now. So this was the last impulsive. So this was the last correction, and then this is our last impulsive phase of the market. So within this last impulsive phase of the market, we still have impulsive correction. We still have this correction, impulsive correction, and then this impulsive right here. Can you guys see that? We still have this impulsive right here. Within this impulsive, on 4 hour, we still have this for our impulsive phase. So which means we have this impulsive correction, impulsive phase. Therefore, currently now what we are expecting to see from the market, we're expecting to see the market giving us the what? The correction, should I say the correction or the continuation pattern for us to have our entry position. So one of the two can actually happen. It's either the market is going to retest this previous high, this one is going to retest this previous high structure, or the market is going to respect this structure like higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, coming back maybe to give us some sort of like higher low from this point and then carry on up. But again, we just going to look at the structure. How is it going to behave when it gets to this zone right here? The structure at which this market is going to get to this zone right here, it's also going to give us a clue to say, is there a possibility that we're going to retest at this point and then we go up? I hope you guys do understand me, because there is a possibility to say the market retest this, goes up, or it's going to come all the way down to retest this and then it's going to go up. But we're going to go to a lower time frame and get to see. But lower time frame, it doesn't have so much information for us to conclude on that, because it's still in a bullish shape. The shape of it, it's still pushing up very strong. You see, so I still feel like the market, it's gonna come to this point right here. I still think the market is gonna come all the way maybe to give us a retest from this point right here before it shoots all the way up again. Because on this market, to be honest, I still see that the gold is still in a bullish shape, you see. So I think I will be out on gold for some time, just waiting to see when will it give us this reversal pattern, because I think it's going to be really difficult for us to be taking more buys opportunities without getting a proper correction or without getting a proper pullback for you to be entering another buy opportunities. So I think I will be waiting for the market to give me a strong, proper flag for me to be saying I can be even thinking of taking any buying opportunities on gold. Okay, so this is what I think on gold, guys. Yeah, I am out, guys. I am out. I am out. I am out. All this affects gold, guys. This is what we think of gold. So we're just gonna wait for something like this. We will see. I think I won't be trading gold maybe even next week, because I don't think it would have came to this point right here. But yeah, I'm not planning to be looking for any selling opportunities, guys. I'm not planning to be looking for any selling opportunities. But we will see, because the only time that will make me look for selling opportunities is if the market can strongly give me a strong push to the downside, and then it starts correcting, to be retesting this low right here, then I can be able to enter in that case. Mara, whereas the market is still above this high point right here, I don't think I would be looking for any selling opportunities. And also for buying opportunities, it is not that safe. I don't know if should I say it's safe or what, because I don't know if the market is gonna give us something like, because this is very close But if it really does come in this manner at this previous high, then we can be looking for buying opportunities. You see, so there's like three things that can possibly happen. It's either the market it comes in this correction manner into this zone to retest this zone, therefore we can be able to take buying opportunities. But if it comes with this momentum, therefore, which means if it comes with this momentum, I will be waiting to take the buys at this lowest point. But if it breaks below this point and then it starts correcting towards it to retest this previous high, then I can be able to enter the sell again to be going down with it. So it's just a matter of checking how the market will be behaving in this upcoming week for the structure that it's currently at. So I hope you guys do understand what I'm trying to say to you. But yes, this is what I think on gold, and then I am out.